How to buy crypto on MetaMask using debit or credit card. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and open your MetaMask extension, and then you're just going to go ahead and click this three dots here and then click the expand view. So we should be in here. Now you have the buy and sell option. Go ahead and click that one. Alright, now that we are redirected here on our MetaMask portfolio, you're just going to make sure that you are using the right account, and then you're going to select the country where you are from or where you are located, say US for example, and then from here you can just go ahead and enter the desired amount. Say for example, I'm just gonna try here 150 or say 130 for example, and then you're going to click this one in order for you to select the right token for you. Say for example Ethereum, then you're going to click this and then you're going to choose debit or credit. Now here you have to remember that the time process for this one usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you have the lowest buy limit. So if you are okay with that, go ahead and click the continue button down below, and then you have here different third-party providers. So these are what we are going to be using. Now you can go ahead and click this one here in order for you to view more. But yeah, basically the idea here is that which is going to offer you the most Ethereum or the most token using that amount. So for example, in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and try to choose Transact for example. I know it's not the highest, but yeah, I'm gonna try Transact for this one just to show you. I'm going to click continue with Transact. Alright, and then we should be redirected here. So again, you're going to pay $130 and then make sure that you're going to choose card payment. So once you're okay with that, go ahead and click the buy now button, and then this is your wallet address. Just make sure that it is the right one. Go ahead and click buy ETH just like so. And then you have to write here your information. So go ahead and do this one real quick. But basically, these are the steps that you are going to do in order for you to complete this transaction. Now, later on in this process, you should be asked to provide card details in order for you to complete this transaction. That is how you are going to buy crypto on MetaMask using credit or debit card.